I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to accomplish here entering the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's press power key and let's hold down on the power off. As you can see, the following screenshot pops up. Let's tap OK to reboot to save mode. So let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your save mode. Excellent, as you can see, the save mode pops up right here, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit the save mode, let's simply press power key, choose restart and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And that's it, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.